Buy ETH on Trust Wallet. Hello everybody, hope you're all doing fine. I am back with yet another video on crypto basics, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to buy ETH on Trust Wallet. To learn how, keep watching the video until the very end. Go ahead and tap on the Trust Wallet application first. Now you'll be appeared in the home screen of your Trust Wallet application. So before you search, you'll be already available with ETH under your crypto options. So go ahead and tap on ETH. Now among the several options, go ahead and tap on buy at the top. Now you will be entered with the value of ETH and your currency. You can always change your currency by tapping on the little flag at the top. Now go ahead and tap on buy with credit card. Now you will be asked to verify your details like email address and country of residence. So go ahead and provide them with your email address and country of residence, and then check in the box, and then you're good to go. Go ahead and tap on submit my verification, and after you do that, you will be able to buy your crypto. So quick and easy. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye until then.